Good day to all prospective employer in Hong Kong. My name is Dinarin Pungo Pirinya, 28 years old, single parents. I have one child with 8 years old. My father name is Julio Daco Pirinya and my mother name is Jocelyn Pungo Pirinya. I have 4 brothers and 6 sisters and the 5th in the family. I live in Batangas, Malvar, Philippines. I am Catholic. I am first-year high school graduate. I love cooking, cleaning, and care baby. I have working experience to Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 8 months from 2018 to 2022. I serve 5 members to the family, 2 adults and 1 child. I have working experience to UAE. I serve 8 members to the family, 6 adults, 1 child and 1 elder. As a domestic helper, my duties and my responsibilities are care baby, care children, care elder, cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry, car wash, marketing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in Philippines. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am honest, respectful, polite, and hardworking. I promise that I will do my duties and my responsibilities. I follow rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.